Well, the whole question around the grain legumes and dryland cereals, for me, revolves around the principal issues of livelihood of the poor. If we take West Africa as an example, the West Africa and the whole of the Sahelian band, the dry cereals and grain legumes underpin the livelihoods in this geographical space. And because of that, the whole question around food and nutrition security is intricately linked with the whole subject of grain, legume, and dryland cereals. So what we're doing here today, talking about the launch of the CRP, is a phenomenal step in the right direction. However, given the importance that I have just stated, there are challenges. The challenges that I foresee largely hinges around the ownership of this initiative by the countries that needs to drive them. Now, ownership in itself is not just something that is verbose, it's something about doing. And most of these countries are still at a very low level of investment in agricultural research. From where I sit as the Executive Director of the Forum for Agricultural Research in Africa, we do understand this. And this is my daily challenge of how to bring or raise investments that will catalyze processes and initiatives like this that will translate into livelihoods of the common man. And without this, attaining the Sustainable Development Goals, attaining the Agenda 2063 of the African Union, attaining the Malabo Declaration or the STISA Declaration of the African Union would be a mirage. And this would be unfortunate. Now, that said, we're here today discussing the launch of the GLDC. And I think that it's the first step of a journey of 1,000 miles. So, partnership and partnership and partnership is what it will take. I have spoken largely about bringing all the partnership that FARA has into this initiative. We stand solidly behind this CRP and many other CRPs with whom we are working. So it is my expectation that within the foreseeable 3-4 seasons, we will begin to see very strong dividends in our production systems.